Hello everybody, and today we're going to be making a review on our new Fidget.
We're not doing a review.
Oh no,
We're doing to see which one can go the longest. So I just got my new fidget spinner. It's emoji. It's pretty cool.
Okay.
Now this is my new red one I got from Walmart.com. Do not get your fidget spinners from Walmart.com. It's been over a week I haven't had this thing, but it does work really well.
Oh, so it does work. So they just have to wait. It might be the winning one, right?
Because he put oil on it.
And he did put oil on it because he's had it for a day or two.
I've only had it for like a couple of minutes.
All right, so we're gonna find out then.
So yours is brand new, so it
Yeah,
might be
so
even better.
yeah. All right. Okay. So Mom's gonna time us on a stopwatch, and we're gonna see which one can go the longest.
Will it be yours? Or will it be yours? All right, guys, so I think we've got our timer set, and we're ready to start. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go. Which one is it going to be, guys? Yellow or red hot red? All right, so the red is stopping here at 15 seconds. The yellow is continuing on. We're going to get the time. The emoji's upside down. All right, you guys, so...
You shouldn't have put the oil on it.
And the time is there. All right, so...
It's sad.
Ever since I put in this oil, mine would have spin for like 2 minutes. But ever since I put in this oil, it hasn't worked.
All right, so now we'll try to clean the oil out and do it again.
So,
I guess.
we're going to have to do this again, but holding it in our hands.
Let's do it.
Okay. Ready, set, go. I'm getting dizzy just watching them. Yellow or red? Spin
Jesus
City.
or Satan? Heaven or hell?
Which one? Jesus.
Oh. Coming down. It was really close that time, you guys. All right, 25, 26 on the clock for red, and coming to an end here on yellow. At 43.
I gotta order a new one.
Oh my god.
How many are we gonna own?
Mine, this
It's
one,
probably gonna own like thousands.
this one,
Yeah?
this spin for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. If you hadn't have put on the oil, then it would have spun for that time.
Well, how much did the green one spin for from 7-Eleven?
4 minutes.
So that the 7-Eleven one's the best one, right?
Yeah.
For now.
For now. All right, so is that what you want to tell our guest?
Yeah, I'm gonna go order a new one now. Like, boy, fidget spinner life, except breaking life. Never put that oil. I mean, dang,
Kind of like mess up the bearings. And
like a lot.
a lot because it used to spin like for a long time. Now it's just spinning for like a couple of seconds. That's not good.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching Creative Princess 2012.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment and share with all your friends.
Fidget spinner life.